Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share my top 5 favorite red lipsticks with you all. And since Durga Puja is around the corner, followed by so many other festivals, and also so many of the sites are running sale right now, I thought this is the perfect time for me to share my red lipstick recommendations with you all. Also, if I had to say something for a red lipstick, I would say that lipstick is so versatile and so iconic. You can wear it to a wedding, to a party, to a event. It just adds something else to like everything to you as well. So yeah, like every girl needs a nude lipstick. Also, she must own a good red lipstick, I think so. And yeah, now without wasting any more time, I should take you guys to the video. So the first lipstick is this MAC Retro Matte and it is in the shade Ruby Woo. So I have applied it in my lips and you can see how it looks on me. So it retails for 1500 rupees and it has 3 grams of product. So this is the perfect red shade and it's nothing like orange or maroon, it's just a red and a bright red. So this has a blue undertone which is neutral and it will suit any kind of skin tone. This is a matte lipstick but it does transfer a bit, like just a bit, and it does stay on for quite a long time, like even if you eat foods and everything. But of course if you eat a lot of oily food, it will kind of like cling on to your lips. Also, if you have dry lips, I think you should moisturize it before applying this, because this does like feel a little bit of dry if you don't have like moisturized lips. Otherwise, I think this is the best red shade you can go for. So coming on to the next lipstick, which is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte and it's in the shade Heartbreaker. So I'm wearing it right now. You can see how it looks on me. So I think in the camera it looks like the MAC shade only, but it's not like that guys, it's different. And it is kind of a berry shade, like a berry red, and it also has a blue undertone to it, which means it's again neutral and it will suit every skin type. So due to the blue undertone, I think it is kind of like, it looks like a berry red shade, but in real life I can promise that it looks much better because it is kind of a pinkish red, like not pinkish but a berry kind of red, like a berry undertone to it. I don't know guys whether I am able to explain it properly or not, but yeah, like in real life it definitely looks like bomb. Also, I totally forgot, it retails for 1825 rupees and it is in the shade Heartbreaker and it has 5 ml of product. But also I want to specify something, that this is kind of a drying lipstick, like you can definitely go for this shade as well. It will not disappoint you. Like this is very pretty. So coming on to the next lipstick, this is the Maybelline Color Show Intense Crayon and it is in the shade Bold Burgundy. So I'm wearing it right now, you can see it. So it retails for 399 rupees and it has 3.5 gram of product. So it is a crayon and it's retractable, so you don't have to sharpen or anything, you just, that's the thing. And it glides on super smoothly guys, like you just need, I feel you just need like a single stroke, so you really have to be careful while applying it because it's super smooth and it's super pigmented. So this is not a matte lipstick. The shade looks like a burnt kind of red. It is a burgundy color, although it is not cool tone red, it is a warm tone red. Also this adds kind of a glossy effect, it's not matte. So, and yeah, it does transfer because this is not matte. So yeah, this will transfer if you eat food, especially oily food. I don't think it will stay for long, so you just have to be careful about that. And yeah, otherwise I think this is also a very gorgeous red. So next lipstick is this Lakme Absolute Lip Pout and it is in the shade Sugar and Spice. So I'm really sorry I couldn't find it out. I think it was a limited edition. Also it was a collaboration with Masaba, I guess, so it's written Masaba Lips and I'm wearing it so you can see how it looks on me. And this is not that very poppy kind of red, but this is kind of a muted red, like it won't really pop out, but nonetheless this is a red shade. So this is the first lipstick which I had, like my own lipstick. My mom bought it for me obviously, but this was the red lipstick and yeah, I used to be obsessed with red, although I think this is expired now, but I really don't care. If you're just a beginner, I think this is the best lipstick you can go for. You get a very good quantity as well, and also even this is retractable, so crayon lasts really long, they don't even get finished, so you can definitely go for this one. The next lipstick is this Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint and this is in the shade Burgundy Lush and you get it for 625 rupees and you get about 9 gram of product. The quantity is really good and also it does need a little bit of time to dry down, so you can see like it's still shiny. Anyway, so this is a burgundy, like a pure burgundy color, and like if you compare it with red, I'll keep it in a red category because this is obviously a red and like a really dark and a burnt kind of red, I can say. But yeah, like the shade is really beautiful and it's also really gorgeous. But yeah, it just transfers a bit, like it will dry down eventually. So this is also a cheek tint, which is the reason it's not drying up very quickly, because you can apply it as a cheek tint as well. If you apply a nude, you can tone it down to a brown as well. But anyways, this is really pretty and really gorgeous. So this is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys liked and enjoyed this video, and also I hope that this video turns out to be helpful for you to choose that perfect red shade. And yeah, if you did, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and stay happy. Bye.